Hello everyone, my name is Akash and I'm here with my classmate Shreya to do the presentation on the assignment which we have done as part of design patterns subject. So as part of this project, we have implemented the uh, adapter pattern. So if you want to download this file, you have to go to the submission history and then click the assignment2.zip, this file. Once you download it, you will be seeing the zip file here. So once it is downloaded, right click it and click the extract all and it will be extracted. So these files are extracted here and I have opened them in the Visual Studio. So the files are visible here. How we can implement this is, how we can execute this code is you have to open the terminal. Yeah, just make sure that you are in the subfolder of this one, of this folder, and you have to type this command. Once you do that, the project will be compiled and you will see all the class files appearing here. Once they are appeared, you have to write these commands in order to execute them. So as you can see, the result is appearing. So basically this command is for testing the object tester file. This is for testing the class tester file. And we have one more command. This is used for testing the additional tester. We can also test the test1 file by writing test1 here. Yes, and the outputs are here. So let's dive into the code. So how we split our work is I implemented the my priority class adapter, this one, and Shrey has implemented the my PQ object adapter.
Object.
Yeah. So as you can see, this mypq class adapter.java, this class uses the class adapter pattern, which means that it extends the minhip class, which is here, and then implements the my priority queue, which is an interface. So it will inherit all the functionality which is given in the min heap, and then it will map the priority queue, the methods of the priority queue to the heaps methods. So for example, we have the add method here and the peak method. So what these methods will do is they will call, they will be mapped to the insert method and peak mean of the heap. And similarly, we have the poll, size, etc. These methods. So what is class adapter is basically you inherit all the methods of any other class and then you can implement an interface and then use those methods in this class. So that is basically a class adapter. Now Shreya will explain the object adapter.
Okay, so like the object adapter, this is instead of extending the min heap. So here we are directly using the reference. So here yeah, directly using the object adapter pattern. So instead of extending the min heap, it holds a reference to an existing min heap object. So which is passed via the constructor. It implements the my priority queue and which calls to the mean heap instance. So the like the class adapter, it maps to insert peak mean poll and other peak mean and other extract mean. So methods like clear and to array, this use the heap's internal list via get list. So the key difference here is it does not inherit from the mean heap, so it is making it more flexible, which can be used since it can be work with any main heap instance without being tied to the class hierarchy. There's a difference between the both the Java files.
Yeah. So as you can see, the implementation works, and we have executed the code also by first compiling it and then executing it. So you can execute it similarly. You just have to have a similar folder structure like this. Basically, there should be a folder like this, and inside a folder like this. And then you can execute these commands, and the output is also as expected. The positive test count is matching the actual positive test count everywhere. So yeah, basically that's all for this assignment. If you have any questions, you can revert to us. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.